in September, homebuilder confidence fell for the 9th straight month, all the way down to its lowest level since May of 2020. Jerry Howard's back with us. He's the CEO of the National Association of Homebuilders. Perfect storm, Jerry. Interest rates going up, supply chain problem, prices going up. It's a real bad time for you guys, isn't it?
It's a real bad time, Stuart. 9 straight months down. We've given birth to a housing recession.
And do you expect any kind of bottom soon, or is this going to be dwindling down for some time?
Well, you know, this recession could be cured by policymakers, and so I expect that we're going to stay at bottom and maybe even go a little lower right up until we see the outcome of the midterm elections, because policy is what can get us out of this.
I get Zillow alerts. I know that's another side of the real estate business from you, but I'm being constantly alerted about price cuts. This house is down, that house is down. Is that happening also in the brand new home market? Are prices coming down of the homes you've just built?
Yes, about a full quarter of the builders are reporting to us that they're reducing their prices, and about half of the builders are saying they're either reducing prices or doing something else to entice buyers.
Are you getting any broken contracts?
We have, yes. Unfortunately, people are just saying we're not going to pay for the price right now.
Any bankruptcies? I understand there's so much pressure on you. I mean, is some people dropping out of this business?
No, we're not at that point yet. What we are seeing is the smaller home builders that are able to be a little bit more mobile are starting to do bigger remodeling contracts and things like that to keep cash coming in.
How about the Florida market? Can you comment on that? Because that was always so strong.
I think you're seeing a weakening in virtually every market, but those that were stronger are weakening less.
Do you think, look, you've called it a housing recession. I would call it a housing slump. Could it fall into a housing depression?
Oh, gosh, I hope not, Stuart, but we're not seeing anything that's given us much optimism right now.
Do you see a serious recession coming for the overall economy?
Potentially, yes, and that potential seems to be growing.
Jerry Howard, I wish we could find something positive in the new home building business. Have you got anything to smile about at all?
I guess the most important thing is that investors and people need to remember that Americans still want to own their homes, and that as soon as the conditions turn a little more favorable, housing will pick up, and that'll pick up the whole economy.
Clearly, you're not in a great place right now, are you, Jerry? You had many, many wonderful years after the real estate crash in town 12 years ago, but now it's really turned around. Jerry Howard, thanks for being with us, sir. Despite all the bad news, we appreciate you being here. Thanks very much.
Thanks, sir.